Hi, Casey. So let's take a look at your classes for the fall semester and how they might transfer to UW La Crosse. So I'm going to start here with this speech class. Let's see if I can get my mouse active. There we go. So speech, which the catalog number, the 8-digit number is 10-801-198. So in the old days, we used a system called the Transfer Information System. Nowadays, we use a website called Transferology. So if you see on my screen, where I want you to go is transferology.com. Because I'm an advisor, a faculty advisor, mine is called Transferology Lab. Don't worry about it. You're a student, transferology.com. Okay, and then we say, where are we transferring to? You have to spell it out. University of Wisconsin, if I could spell right. Let's try that again. University, we'll spell the whole thing out, of Wisconsin. And then it will try to find us, and I'm just going to click on La Crosse. That's where we're going to. I'll wait for it to cook away. Sorry about all the noise in my recording today. Just be patient with me. When it comes back, then I'm going to say where from, and I'm going to say Madison Area Technical College. There we go. So I'm going to select that one. Hopefully it'll fill in. Maybe, maybe not. All right, I'll keep going. Madison Area Technical College. All right, that's the one I want. Should automatically pick it up. What's going on here? Let me take a look. So it should automatically, yeah, that's what I want to view. There it goes, waiting for it. Okay, now we're going to look up by class, and it was 10, if you remember that 8-digit number we looked at, it was 10801. So I'm going to go with the 801s. And that's the tricky part, is that these numbers don't mean anything to anybody else, but we'll figure them out. Every class has an 8-digit number, and at our college, they always start with a 10 or a 20. So disregard the first two numbers. It's the next set of 3 numbers that you want, and the next set of 3 numbers for us is 801. And 801 means like the communication department, and that's the speech department. So now, do you see, we see all the 801 classes. Now, in that 8-digit catalog number, the last 3 numbers I said were 198. Yeah, there it is. 10801-198 speech. And do you see how they cut off the first 2? You just ignore those first 2 numbers. Okay, so that transfers to La Crosse as this, communicating effectively. So I don't know if you remember my last video, but what we want to know is, does that UW La Crosse class count towards your education major, communicating effectively? So then what you need to do is go to UW La Crosse. Let me see if I can find it. I'm not sure if I can very quickly. UW La Crosse. What do I want? I want UW La Crosse School of Education. We want to know what courses are required for your elementary education degree. Because every degree, yeah, let's try this one. Every degree is going to have, right, your degree at La Crosse as an education major is going to be different than if you were a physics major, right? So we want to know what courses do you have to take. And so what I'm showing you is oh, fiddlesticks. This is the process that I want you to go through. Look up the classes that you've designated for the fall, the ones you want to take for fall. Go to Transferology. Look up each one. I know this is a lot. Look up each class and see how it transfers. Then take that transfer class, look it up at La Crosse. Oh, here it came. And see if it's required for your elementary ed degree. It's a lot. It's like homework. I'm not going to lie. But there's no other way. There's just no other way around it. So give that a try. Do every single class. And then let me know if you have any questions at all. All right. Good luck.